In this video, I'll show you how to open TikTok Shop from any country, even if you're outside the USA. TikTok Shop is a feature that allows creators and businesses to sell products directly through TikTok. However, this feature is not available in every country, and many users outside supported regions face access limitations. When you open TikTok and explore the available options, you may notice a section that says, Sell on TikTok Shop. This can give the impression that TikTok Shop is available on your account. However, seeing the option does not always mean full access is enabled. After clicking on the TikTok Shop selling option, TikTok attempts to redirect to the seller portal. In restricted regions, the seller page may fail to load or show an error. This happens because TikTok checks your location before allowing access to seller tools. TikTok Shop's seller features are currently limited to specific countries. If your account or connection is detected from an unsupported region, the seller dashboard may remain inaccessible even though the option appears inside TikTok. This is why many users outside the USA experience partial visibility of TikTok Shop but cannot fully open or manage seller features. The platform applies regional checks to protect its marketplace and ensure compliance with local rules. When accessing region-limited platforms like TikTok Shop, keeping your internet connection private and secure is important. A secure VPN connection can help protect your online activity and ensure a more stable and consistent browsing experience, especially when dealing with location-based restrictions. Using a VPN also adds an extra layer of privacy by encrypting your data, which helps keep your account and personal information safe while using online platforms. NordVPN is a trusted option that offers strong security, fast speeds, and reliable performance across different regions. It helps protect your internet traffic and provides a smooth and secure experience when using apps and platforms like TikTok. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.